AudioJungle.
In today's lesson, I will explain how to manually import your leads to Leads Bounty. First, let's go to Sheets. Click on New, then download the example sheet to your desktop. After downloading it, go to docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Create a blank spreadsheet. Go to File. Click on Import. Then click on Upload and choose the example sheet you just downloaded. Now, select Replace Spreadsheet and click on Import Data. At this point, we have successfully created our spreadsheet. Now let's link it to Leads Bounty. Go back to Leads Bounty and copy the admin email. Return to the spreadsheet, click on Share, name the spreadsheet Import Leads Manually. Add the admin email as an editor and click Send. Next, copy the sheet ID and place it inside Spreadsheet ID. Copy the spreadsheet name and place it inside Name. Copy the sheet name and place it inside Sheet Name. Click on Add. That's it. Our spreadsheet is now linked to Leads Bounty. Let's test it. We'll pick a random offer, copy the SKU, and place a test lead. Please ensure that you have provided all the required data so that your lead is imported automatically. Otherwise, our algorithm will not recognize your lead and it won't be imported. That's it for this video. Goodbye.